So today I'm going to ask you very simple sentences of daily routine. Means I'm just going to communicate with you about daily life, about your daily routine. So yes, please stand up first. Okay, so do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English, but I don't speak Hindi.
You don't speak Hindi. Okay. Do you get up early morning?
I get up early morning because it is good habit.
It's good habit. Very nice. Do you read newspaper?
No, I not read newspaper.
I don't.
I don't read newspaper, but I read Hindi books.
Books. You read Hindi books. Okay. Do you go to school?
Not I don't go to school because I passed 12.
You pass 12th class. Okay. Do you study at your home?
I study at my home because it is good for my career.
Do you fight with your brother?
I don't fight with my brother because he's my
Is your brother?
he's my brother.
Okay, okay. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. But I don't watch mobile phone.
Mobile phone. You don't watch mobile phone. That's nice. Okay, tell me, does your brother speak English?
I don't. My brother don't speak English.
My brother does not.
My brother does not speak English, but he speak Hindi.
He speak Hindi. Do you help your brother?
I help my brother, but he don't doesn't listen my.
He doesn't listen to you. Oh, that's very bad. Okay, please sit down.